Wake up, YouTube, because I'm back with another reaction video. My name is Tom, if you already know Tom MostBlown, and today, you guys, Trey Songz, Animal, Nicole Kirkland Choreography. Shout out to Lisa Reacts Girl. She suggested this video. Shout out to her. And yeah, let's just hop right into this video. I also did Pour It Up, Rihanna by Nicole. So if you want to see that, click right here. It's right up there. Go watch that video real quick. So now we can hop right into this. All right?
When days turn to night, that's when you show your other side with all those freaky thoughts. Freaky thoughts.
Oh.
You bring out the
Animal. Oh, they not wasting no time. They already started, okay? Ote, like the New Yorkers be saying. Yes, Nicole, look at her. I love this song. Hey. Hey, hey. I don't even know who to focus on because they're all so good. But this is Nicole. And I don't know the names of the other dancers because I'm not, I haven't watched this fully and thoroughly. But I don't know who to focus on. All of them are just... Hey. I'm a leader of the pack. Hey. Back. Hey. I like this dance. Oh. Okay, Nicole. She being seductive. Yo, whenever they hit the splits, it always just blow my mind because I cannot hit the splits, you guys. Like, I would break every bone in my body if I tried. I can't do it for nothing. But all of them they just hit it so smooth. Like, it's like, why? It must be nice, to be flexible. Oh! Hey, throw it back, sis. Throw it back, sis. Throw it back, sis. Hey. She laughing. Who is this? She a solo though. I like her shoes. Her heels are nice. Oh, I know she's about to kill it. I already know she's about to eat it up. I know. You about to kill it. Let's go. Okay. Hey. I told y'all. Yes. She wearing just a t-shirt. Yo, her outfit is cute. I wore something like this on my birthday. Insert the picture right here. It was like a t-shirt and then heels similar to that. So go follow my Instagram. It's on my Instagram and then you guys can see that picture and go like that picture. Okay, that's my 21st birthday picture. So just go over to my Instagram. You see it on there, like it. All right. Little plug for me right there. You feel me? You just gotta give yourself little plugs off the top, I'm the leader of the pack. Ooh, baby, gonna throw it back. That's my favorite part of the song. They are all so flexible, like. Oh, okay. All right. Yes. Okay. We got about 2, 4, 6, 7 girls. All right. Oh, that's the ball girl. She don't play. Okay. Hey. Yo, look at all their outfits though. From head to toe, everyone is slaying and they're all dancing in heels. Who can do that? Who said only Beyonce can do that? I don't know who said that, but something about that ain't true. Because you see, it's about 2, 4, 6, 8, 7 girls dancing in heels right now. And they said only Beyonce. Hey. Hey, hey. Yo, look at her eyes. Jesus, she is not playing. Her eyes is not letting go of that camera lens. Oh, look at that girl right here. She about to hit the split. This one, yes. Oh, wait, pause. What is going on? Hey. Okay. Throw it back. Hey. Oh, she's back again. I know she danced before. I've seen her before. Matter of fact, I think all of them already danced. But hey. I have shorts like that. These are cute. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Yeah, it must be nice to know how to dance like this. Ooh, her suede boots. Those blue, they're blue, right? Or green? I don't know, but those are cute. Sis, tell me where you got them. And her camel pants. Yes, outfit on fleek. Yo, she's eating it up. This one right here. Cut it up. Yes. They are also amazing. Oh my God. She hit that split in reverse. She hit the split in reverse, y'all. Oh my God. Okay, girl. I like her cornrows too. Animal. Okay. Hey, hey. Okay. Let's peep the outfits. All right. I see what she got on. Cute. I like that shirt. Cute. I like her shorts. Yes. Yeah. She got a little romper on. That's a romper, right? Or like a shirt and then shorts. I don't know, but it's cute. Let's see what little girl got in the corner right here. Okay, shorts with a little fishnet. And then, all right, cool, cool, cool outfits. Everyone is, I'm approved. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, I real life got shoes like that. Let me go show y'all right now. Hold on. Peep, the same John she got on. Yes, hey, hey. I'm a boss, I'm the leader of the pack. Hey. Hey, hey. I got like 3 heels they got on. 3 different heels. I swear, all girls, we just be wearing the same stuff out here. Take it. Okay. Yo, they're just throwing it back. Every single one of them. Animal. Okay. Hey, hey, hey. Shoe game on fleek though. Look at them nude heels. I love that. Let's peep the outfit. Okay. I see what she got on. Cute. Everyone looking cute. Oh, look at her. She looking cute. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, okay. Is it just me or she look like Chandler Alexis? I thought that was her for a second, but it's not. Okay, okay. And she looked like De'Ara and Ken. Like De'Ara from De'Ara and Ken. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking and just listen to this. I'm the boss, I'm a leader of the pack. Hey, 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 hey. When this part come on, they're like, yup, time to throw it back. Every single one. I don't even know who to look at. Everyone is just cutting it up. Okay. Look at little sis. Ooh, she about to hit the split. Animal. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, girl. She got a bandana on her thigh. That's a nice way to style up your dressing. I like her cornrows. Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. Everyone is just killing it. Like, I don't even know. I'm a leader. Hey, hey. Look at sis in the middle, though, right here. Yes. Cut it up. Hey. Okay. Hey. Throw it back. Let's see what she gonna do. Let's see what sis gonna do. Okay. They're all so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, is she about to have a solo? Who knows? Let's see. What? That was funny. Outfits on fleek. Oh, I like how she styled her romper. Yes, girl. Hey, hey. Okay. All of them in heels. Like, are you dumb? Oh, 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 hey, okay, okay. Okay, I see sis cutting it up right there. Whoa! Did you see that? Hold on. Did y'all see that? Nah, we gotta watch that back. We gotta take it back. We gotta take it back one time. I wasn't even focusing on her. We gonna focus on her right now. Look at her. Peep her right here. Woo! Are you dumb? Let's go. Okay, sis. Whoa. This is like a gymnastics class. Okay, girl. Okay. Let them know. Let them know. Whip your hair, eh? Okay. Yo, Nicole Kirkland, your studio is the shiz naive. Nah, that was too much. Like, all of them, every single group came and slayed. Like, everyone killed it. Like, I don't even know who was better, who was, you know, everyone is on the same, like, level as far as I'm concerned. Everyone is on 10. Like, dang. Well, if you guys enjoyed this reaction, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want me to react to next, and subscribe to the channel. Also follow my social media. I'll follow you back. That being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.